Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the lollms playground to translate your documents from a language A to a language B. Let's go. First, open the playground and look for the preset called Generic Translator. Press the validation button to put the preset content into the main input text area. Now you need to update the elements delimited by at lower than and greater than at. We set the input language. Then we set the text to be translated. We set the output language. Finally, we remove the output placeholder text and place the cursor there. Now press the Generate Text button to start generating the text. Some models tend to add a summary after doing the translation. This is caused by the way they were trained. Make sure you remove any extra deductions or useless text. Here you have it. Your text is ready. You can press Copy button to copy it to the clipboard. You can test multiple languages. Just remove the output, change the output language name and press Generate Text again. Please note that the translation quality depends on the model you use. Better results can be obtained if you use a model that was trained with the languages involved in the translation. I hope you liked this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!